Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and as you can see in the title already, it's time to go to Zolder again. So we are gonna have some more track time, trying to improve time, have fun. We did also one session, so it's 1 hour of driving, which is pretty okay. I thought my car wouldn't last 1 hour of full sense, but it held up pretty fine last time, so we're gonna do it again. Since last time we changed something, and that is in the cage. Let me turn on the light. It's hard to see, but we put in a harness bar, so the harnesses are tightened properly. So we're gonna go with Simon again as always, and it's gonna be loads of fun. So let's go to the track. So we're here at Circuit Zolder. I'm just waiting for Simon because I had a little bit of a traffic jam and I didn't go by his house. So I'm waiting for him. I also forgot my mask, so I need to wait on him for my mask. But we are ready to roll. The harness bar I can show you in the light now. Harness attached. Simon stole my passenger harness to test it out. So passenger harness coming in, but car is looking great. No changes compared to the last time except the bar, but that's not really a big change. So all we need to do now is get our registration, our numbers, and then in about, let's check, 50 minutes we can go on the track. So that's pretty fast. So can't wait. About 3 laps, but the GoPro didn't turn on, but I see it's yellow, so I'm just gonna take it slow. First time using Harry's lap timer, so my phone was just tilting forward with braking hard, so that's not ideal. So we're gonna take it slow. Last time we did a 204, 204.0, so let's see how close we can get this time. Too hard. car cool down. I've used it a lot now. The session is coming to an end. Let's just take it slow. I was so scared because I have ABS all the time. So when I got into that last corner, like that sort of hairpin, I felt like, oh shit, I need to nail my braking point here, because this is where I lose a lot of lap time, because you got to run up to the straight. So I brake late and then my front locked, so the rear just wanted to snap. Now my washer is low. Alright. Yeah. Funny. So that was scary, but we did the 202. That was my goal for today. Very happy. Maybe it's better we didn't do another flyer, because fun. Damn. That gravel trap was seriously scary, but part of the game. You don't know your limits, you look for them. And that was the limit. As you can see, it's time to go home now. It started raining a lot. Yeah, we don't have any sessions anymore. We had a great session, we had a great time, but yeah, we're gonna go home now, because yeah, watching in the rain is not fun. So it's the day after Zolder, and we are gonna fix some small things I broke and clean the car. So as you saw in the video, I had a little fun in the gravel trap, so the car is so freaking filthy. But when hitting the gravel trap, I ripped off, I can see it, but the jack points are like these plastic things on the jack points. I was already missing one on the right side, but now I'm missing 3, so the rear right, that one is already on. Then on the right side also 2, so that we are going to put them on now. Then we are going to jack out the car, get the wheels off, clean them good, and then clean the car. So the car is clean now. I didn't really find any gravel, so that's a positive thing. I did have to clean the wheels a lot of brake dust, so if that's the only thing, I'm fine with it. I had a great time, was a great track day. Did improve time, so overall it was a very successful day. No damage luckily, but on the first glance it also looked like there was no damage, so very happy. Hopefully we can go to the ring soon, because yeah, Zolder is a lot of fun, but the ring is just next level fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, I hope you guys enjoyed the laps, and please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.